Hi everybody, Cindy and Gary here with Pathways Homestead. Gary just got home. I'm waving my scissors around. Gary just got home from work. He's tired. He's been building fence all day. And I went and checked the mail when I got done doing evening chores. And we got our seeds from M.I. Gardener. I'm so excited. So we're going to open them up so you guys can see what I ordered from M.I. Gardener.
What did you order?
It's going to be a surprise because I can't remember.
Oh, good.
That's the fun of getting older. You forget what you ordered.
You can surprise yourself.
You can order your own gifts because you can't remember what you ordered.
Can you hide your own Easter eggs, though?
Probably. I don't do a very good job of, the next time I'm hunting for my keys, you'll know the answer. All right. Oh, Jubilee Tomatoes.
Oh,
those
yeah,
are for
we like
Gary.
those.
Those are Gary's favorites.
Those are the best eating tomatoes there are, I think.
Yellow pear tomatoes. Those sell really, really well at the farmer's market.
And they're fun to eat in the garden, too.
Yeah. I got some Hungarian yellow wax hot peppers.
Those are good for the chili powder mix.
Some Serrano Peppers.
Okay.
Big Jim peppers. They're kind of like an Anaheim. An Anaheim pepper.
These are the hot ones.
Those are, they say the Anaheims are hot. Anaheims are not hot. And cayennes. The Gary, look at Gary, look at me. The cayennes are for the farmer's market because I had lots of folks ask me for those. And then the early jalapenos.
Those will make you lift both lids and set in the water.
Yeah, just look, try one of the ones that we have up in the up in the cabinet that we dehydrated several years ago. And pink plume celery. I'm gonna try this again. We tried it last year. I never transplanted it.
It never got planted.
It never got planted. It was my fault. It takes so long. If I had known it took so long, like I need to start these now because it takes so long for the plants to get established in order to transplant them outside. So I'm going to start them now. They may stay in the house most of the summer and then go into the garden in the early fall because they don't hardly, they're slow growers, real slow growers. It says to start them, I was reading, this says 10 to 12 weeks before the first frost inside, to start them inside. And so,
last frost?
For the first frost.
Before the first frost.
It says before first frost. Start indoor before first frost.
Okay.
So, I don't know. I was reading, so that's like start them inside and then put them
in the winter?
in the winter, or do you put them in?
Let me see it.
It says right here, first frost.
Days to germinate, 12 to 18. Days to maturity, 80 to 90. I'm going to read. Okay, the peppers, or the tomatoes say last frost. Huh, okay.
I don't know. It says first frost. So,
I guess we'll find out.
yeah. Anyway, I had, it says it's cold tolerant, wants partial sun. I have been studying on it and read that you started at 10 to 14 weeks before your last frost inside it, and then you could transplant it outside and it would be like a spring plant. But I don't know. And
Try both.
yeah. So I'm going to try. We'll see. This may be something we'll grow in the greenhouse in a container or something.
Yeah.
Over winter, maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see. Well, y'all, that is what we got today in the mail from M.I. Gardner. We are still waiting on our Baker Creek order. And,
And what?
and,
Where else did we order seeds?
just Baker Creek.
Okay.
Just Baker Creek in this. We didn't order any more seeds.
Okay.
The ones you wanted from another place was too, you didn't want them. You said they was too expensive.
Okay.
So, anyway. So just Baker Creek. And the other seeds we'll have to, that we need are spinach, yalla squash, and, spinach, yellow squash, and zucchini squash. And I don't know. I think I might try loofah gourds again. I might try starting the plants in the greenhouse and then moving them out. See if that gives them a long enough time. They take so long and we don't quite have a long enough summer. But anyway, so we're going to try the loofah gourds. I'll have to buy some of those, but I'm going to wait and see if I can get them at our farm and ranch store or something.
We've got loofah gourds in the shed.
Oh, we do have loofah gourds in the shed.
Yeah, we can clean them up and get the seeds out of
Get the
them.
seeds out of them. That'll work. That'll work. All right, I forgot about them. So, there we go. There's our seeds. Thank y'all for watching, and I pray you have a blessed day.